Listen and repeat.
English sentences used in class. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Last lesson we talk about. Last lesson we talk about. Very good. Very good. Give me an example. Give me an example. Is there any questions? Is there any questions? Be attention. Be attention. Turn to page. Turn to page. Stop talking. Stop talking. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Listen to me. Listen to me. In the back. In the back. Close the book. Close the book. No gum. No gum. Keep silent. Keep silent. Don't sleep, be with me. Don't sleep, be with me. Who can answer? Who can answer? Who can read? Who can read? Who can complete? Who can complete? Who can correct? Who can correct? What is the problem? What is the problem? Look at here. Look at here. Put down your pens. Put down your pens. Clean the board, please. Clean the board, please. Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. What is the date today? What is the date today? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework?